Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use a rain meter in your Windows operating system. Rain meter is a desktop customization tool which you can use to change the skin of your Windows desktop. So for example, I want to change the skin of this uh, desktop. I will be able to do with my rain meter tool. So let's see how I can install rain meter first. Just go to your browser and search for rain meter, and the first link here you will find is for rainmeter.net. Just click this link, and in here there is a download section. So what I want to download is the final release. I don't want to install and download this beta version, because this is a beta version and this is the final release version. So I will prefer this over this. So I will download this executable file, and it's a fairly small file and it will be downloaded in few seconds. Okay, so once this file is downloaded, you just need to execute this. So I will just click this executable file, and I will just choose my language as English. Click OK, and I want the standard installation. Click next, and my operating system is 64-bit, so I will click install, and just see here that it installs this rain meter in your program files. Okay, so just note the location and click install and click yes, and rain meter will be installed in few seconds. And once the installation is finished, and just keep this checkbox checked and click finish, you will be able to see these kind of skin. So these are the default skin of rain meter. Okay, and you can drag and drop these skins from here, and you can place them as you wish, and you can customize all these skins also. Now in order to unload these skins, for example, you want to change this default skin to a new skin, whatever you want. To unload these skins, you just need to write these skins, and you just need to click unload. Okay, so I will just click unload, right click, unload, right click, and unload skin. Now for example, you want that right now it's draggable, right, that this skin is draggable. For example, you want that this should stay here and it should not be draggable. So you can always go to your skin, right click it, go to the setting, and uncheck this draggable setting. So just uncheck this, and now you cannot drag this. Okay, so there are pretty much good settings which you can do with rain meters for your skins. So I will unload it for right now. Unload, and my rain meter I will be able to find here. When I have installed it, you can see the rain meter is running here. I can open it, and by default it has this default skin. Okay, and it has clock. Once you click it, you can see clock. It has disk, you can click and see the disk space. It has Google search skin, you can search for it, network skin, recyclable skin, system skin. When I click this, it will give me a system overview, and the welcome skin. Okay, so you can just load them like this, or unload these skins by right clicking and just click unload skin. Now in order to get the new skin, and you want, if you want some new skins which you want to implement to your desktop, what you can do is, for example, I want to search for the new skin. Okay, so what I will do here is I will search for rain meter skins, rain meter skins, right, and in here you will be able to find many website which host these rain meter skins, but the one I like is this deviantart.com. I will put the link in the description and you will be able to find this link, and just click this link, and it has fairly a good amount of rain meter skins, so you can choose from those skins and customize those skins on your desktop. Okay, so for now, for example, I want to use some skin and implement some skin. So what I'm going to do is I will search for a skin called circular rain meter skin, and I will choose the skin from here, which is the link from DeviantArt, which this is the website I already shown you. So I will just click this and I will be able to find this skin here, right? So what I need to do is I just need to download this skin. So you can download it from this small little button here. So I will just click it, and it's also a executable file, so you can just download this and execute it. So I will just click this executable file once again, and it says circular meter you want to add. Just click this install button, and once it's installed you will be able to see this circular meter here, and you can see total storage, or you can always customize your skin for the rain meter. Right now I have already told you, right now it's draggable, but if you want to you know, fix this circular skin, you just right click and go to the setting and click this, uncheck this draggable. Okay, so now you cannot drag this and it will be here. Okay, there are some other settings, for example save position, keep on the skin, 2D rendering, and refresh skin, which you can play with, and you can always click manage skin and it will open your rain meter, and in here you will be able to find this circular meter once you install this, right? So for example, you want to remove this circular meter, right click, unload skin, it will go, and once again you want to add it, just click this meter ini, and now you will be able to see this skin. I will go down and just click this meter.ini and just click this load button here, and it will be loaded, right? And because I have the setting that it's undraggable, now it's not draggable here. So in this way you can choose your skins from any internet link. This is the link I prefer, which is deviantart.com, but there are many you know, website which hosts rain meter skins. So just choose the skin whatever you like, and you can always implement these skins like this. So in this way you can install and use rain skin on your Windows operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.